Wait a minute. You mean to tell me I don't have to sit and soak my nails for 30 minutes anymore? Baby, let me show you this. Beautiful babes, it's Sweet Angel here, and today we are talking about a fast, easy, and gentle way to remove your gel nails at home. No foil, no soaking, and no damage. Now listen, I don't know about you, but I used to dread removing gel polish. That was the main reason I started using press-ons, okay? Now, sitting there, wrapping foil, waiting forever, just for my nails to feel dry and weak after. Mm-mm. Listen, this right here is a game changer. I'm serious. This is an acetone-free gel nail polish remover, and it works in just 2 to 5 minutes. I don't even think it took that long. Let me show you. Step 1. All you have to do is take your nail file and gently remove the top coat. Don't skip this step, okay? Step 2. Apply a thin layer of remover right on top. And step 3, now watch this. In just a few minutes, the gel starts lifting up on its own. You see that? It's literally breaking apart. No soaking, no mess. And I love that it comes with everything you need. Your file, your cuticle pusher, scraper, so you can get that clean finish right at home. And the best part, it's acetone free, so it's much gentler on your nails, especially if your nails are already a little fragile or dry. Now here's a quick tip. You can use a little liquid latex around your nail if you want to protect your skin while applying. So if you're tired of long salon visits or damaging your nails, this right here is a must try. Let me know in the comments. Are you team DIY nails or salon visits? Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, beautiful babes. Bye!
And still you rise with grace. That ain't luck, baby. That's magic. That's magic.